Developments on your side.
Good afternoon, and of course to our viewers, we are in Mamelodi. This is Eerste Fabrieke informal settlement. Now you would know that this particular area became a headline over perhaps the past 3 years. This is where those devastating floods took place, where we observed this place really being engulfed in water. Many people here have been promised that they would be moved to another area, as this remains a high-risk area. Now, again, we are in the rainy season, and this is one of the areas in Mamelodi where a lot of people just did not go to the polls, in particular the youth that feel that they really don't have confidence in the country's election programs and, of course, the country's democratic project. A lot of them saying that they feel that elections bring them no change. Mamelodi, you would understand, throughout the course of the past months and leading to the elections, this particular area has been declared a hotspot. Mamelodi, we've seen the police minister frequently in Mamelodi. The deputy president had been here a couple of times just to try and assess the mood and also just motivate residents of Mamelodi to participate in the elections, and also for them to refrain from the violence that we have seen that had engulfed the Mamelodi community. And right now I'm joined by two youths who say they didn't vote, and we want to hear why exactly do they feel that the elections make no difference to them. I'm joined by Mahlohonolo. Just in short, tell us about your story. Why did you not vote?
I didn't vote because I don't believe in my government anymore. They make promises that they don't keep. If we can look at the percentage of young people who are not working now, and they give us 350 per month, so how do you expect to live with 350 a month? How do you expect? You are a father, you have children. How do you feed children with 350? And they want us to vote. Our government is only available to us. They only come to us when it's time to vote. But during the year, we don't see them.
A young man like yourself, I would like to believe that you feel maybe that in order to preserve your dignity, things such as jobs and access to opportunities, these are some of the frustrations that we have heard the youth complaining about. Is that also the views that you share?
Yes, it is also the views, because a lot of youth, they're going through a lot of things that other things you'll be even scared to talk about, because our government is doing nothing. The only time they will be available to us and telling us the things that they will do for us is that no, whatever, and those things, there is nothing.
Why are you not using democracy to affect that change? Why are you not voting the government out?
Sometimes I say I'd rather deal with the devil than the one I don't.
What's
going to happen tomorrow?
All right, thank you so much. Tell us about your reasons for not voting.
Okay, my reasons for not voting is because this year is not like those years. So, and then now I vote is because I'm disappointed. Very, very disappointed. Even now, I don't have a place to stay because my grandmother's house burned. It has in 1 year now. So, what's the use of voting? So,
how is service delivery being in Mamelodi? You are a resident of Mamelodi. When you look at service delivery, what picture would you paint?
Service delivery is poor. Yeah, they only need you when but when you need them, they are not there.
Are you angry at politicians? Are you angry at the DA has been under Tshwane? They've been governing Tshwane for the last 5 years. Are you angry at the DA? Are you angry at all politicians? What exactly are you unhappy about?
I'm angry at the council of ANC. I can't say ANC in general, because it's a party. But ANC is corrupt. Like, I don't know what they don't deserve to be in ANC.
Why are you not giving other parties a chance if you don't believe in the ANC anymore?
The reason why I'm not giving other parties the chance is because they are new. Many of them are new. And we don't know what Batotlaling. Maybe Bakawa was than ANC. maybe ba ka ba wise than EFF or DA. Whatever. Yeah, so get it inch.
Right. Thank you so much. There, of course, you're hearing the voices of young people here in Mamelodi who are saying that they did not go to the polls. They're giving their reasons. They're saying that basically there was nothing that convinced them that it is worth their while to go and cast their votes. And they simply don't believe that there's anyone better than the ANC. Although they're angry at the ANC, it is really a political conundrum that is playing out in the streets of Tshwane as many young people simply did not go to the polls. A story that we saw playing out in the 2016 elections, the local elections in 2016, and that repeating itself now 5 years later. On that note, let's toss it back to you in studio.
Thank you so much, Patricia.